Ballet isn't just about pink tights and tutus. It's about physics and the human body working together to create aesthetically pleasing feats that display strength and beauty. But you know, not all of us can be Russian.
Wow, you look graceful, Emily.
Whenever landing a jump, doing échappés, or really coming down from anything, you may notice that dancers bend their knees. This bend is called a plie and is implemented to protect the dancer's joint. Newton's second law of motion describes that force equals mass times acceleration. Acceleration is represented by distance over time. When the dancer plies, what she is really doing is increasing the time of impact, therefore decreasing the acceleration and ultimately decreasing the force of the impact. That makes her knees happy.
Ballet class has a uniform: leotard, tights, shoes, hair in a bun. Spotting is when a dancer picks a spot on the wall and keeps looking at it. When she's turned too far, she snaps her head back around to the same spot. Most people say, "Oh, that keeps her from getting dizzy," but you know, I still get dizzy. From my experience, it just keeps us going in a straight line. But that's beside the point. We're addressing the hair. Newton's first law of motion is, an object in motion will stay in motion, and an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. The tendency of an object to continue moving is called inertia. Wearing a bun protects against the inertia of hair. In other words, when you do turns, your hair will whip around and hit you in the face, and that hurts. The rest of the uniform is simply so that it's easy to see what you're doing wrong. I could make something up and say how it has to do with air resistance, but then tutus would have to be considered, and that just ruins everything. But we have no uniform for joking around and making videos after class, so ponytails, t-shirts, sparkle spandex are all okay. Point work seems to defy all physics, but it doesn't, because physics is smarter than us and it says that a 115-pound dancer can balance on the 1 square-inch box of a point shoe. This can be illustrated with a free body diagram. There's gravity pulling down, the Achilles tendon and other muscles pulling up, and the core muscles pulling equally to the right and the left. If all of these are balanced, they make a perfectly balanced ballerina. But if she leans too far to the right, or too far to the left, or if the up arrow is completely removed, yikes. Basically, the point is, balanced forces equal a balanced ballerina. Another thing that helps with point is the black vinyl flooring used in a lot of dance studios called marley. Point shoes are made of satin, so they can be pretty slippery. This rubbery material creates more friction and keeps dancers from slipping, most of the time.